Each day, your employees use products that you keep on hand to ensure productivity and efficiency. Does your facility have difficulties communicating stock levels until it's too late? Do aggravating stockouts cost your team time and money? Introducing JIS Express, the new inventory management program from JIS that makes reordering as easy as 1, 2, 3. When your employee presses the JIS Express button, orders are sent to a representative from your company to approve daily. During the daily confirmation step, you are able to cancel unnecessary items and increase or decrease quantities of items on your order. Once your order is confirmed, JIS is able to deliver and stock your items without any other steps needed from you. Change the dysfunctional cycle of purchase request forms, missing Kanban cards, and others with our inventory management solution, JIS Express. Take it from this current JIS Express customer. With JIS Express, our team communicates more clearly, and we now have instant ordering capabilities. To see a demo of our program, please contact your local JIS technical field salesman or our world headquarters in Cleveland, Ohio.